Pleased to present Module CCS09 on microbial characteristics and growth requirements. This session will discuss microbial characteristics and the conditions required for growth. The learning objectives of this module will cover understanding microbes for personnel working in the pharmaceutical industry, identifying different types of microbes, and recognizing the growth requirements of microbes. In pharmaceutical manufacturing, various types of microbes play a significant role and pose challenges to product safety and quality. Bacteria are single-cell organisms prevalent in diverse environments. Notable examples include Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus. Fungi are organisms that encompass molds. Notable examples include Aspergillus and Candida. Yeasts are single-cell fungi known for rapid reproduction. Notable examples include Saccharomyces and Candida albicans. Viruses are non-living infectious agents dependent on host cells for replication. Notable examples include influenza virus and the hepatitis virus. Bacteria are single-cell microorganisms with diverse shapes and metabolic abilities. Bacteria don't have distinct nucleus or membrane-bound organelles like eukaryotic cells. Their cell wall provides structural integrity and protection, primarily made of peptidoglycan. This molecule varies between different types of bacteria. Bacteria are classified into two groups based on gram staining. Gram-positive bacteria have a thick cell wall, about 90% peptidoglycan, retaining the crystal violet dye appearing purple-blue under a microscope. Gram-negative bacteria have a thinner cell wall, 5 to 10% peptidoglycan, with an outer membrane made of liposaccharides and proteins, appearing pink-red after gram staining. Bacteria can also be categorized by shape. They can be spherical-shaped bacteria, example Staphylococcus aureus, rod-shaped bacteria, example Escherichia coli, or spiral-shaped bacteria, Heliobacter. Bacteria have crucial roles across diverse ecosystems. They carry out nitrogen fixation, where they enrich soil with nitrogen through decomposition, crucial for plant growth. They exist in the gut microbiome, which is essential for digestion and immune system regulation in animals. Several common examples illustrate their varied roles and impacts. Escherichia coli is a gram-negative bacterium residing in the intestines and is pivotal for digestion and nutrient absorption. However, certain strains can cause severe foodborne illnesses. Staphylococcus aureus is a gram-positive bacterium commonly found on the skin and mucous membranes, but can cause pneumonia, meningitis, and sepsis, particularly in immunocompromised individuals. Bacillus subtilis is a gram-positive bacterium which is used extensively in biotechnology and genetic research. However, some strains can cause infections in immunocompromised individuals. Clostridium botulinum is a gram-positive bacterium and is notorious for producing botulinum toxin, which can cause severe food poisoning. Ingestion of this can lead to botulism, a severe nervous system illness. On the other hand, it is also used to produce Botox, a popular cosmetic surgery procedure. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms that exhibit a diverse range of forms, from unicellular yeast to multicellular mushrooms. They possess a nucleus and a cell wall composed of chitin and cellulose. Mold grows in the forms of filaments known as hyphae, which collectively form a network called mycelium. The mycelium plays a role in nutrient absorption, decomposition, and resource distribution and spore production. Mushrooms are characterized by large, fruiting bodies that produce spores, enabling widespread dispersal. Fungi play a vital role as decomposers in ecosystems, breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients to aid with plant growth. Some common examples of fungi are Aspergillus, which is a genus of mold commonly found in soil and decaying organic matter. Some species are used in the production of enzymes and organic acids. Candida is a yeast species that naturally inhibit human skin and mucous membranes. While often benign, Candida can cause infections under certain conditions, such as immunocompromised individuals. Neospora is a mold extensively used as a model organism in genetic and biochemical research. Its rapid growth and well-characterized genetics make it valuable for studying various biological processes. Thank you for watching this introduction to this module. If you'd like to watch the remainder and get 25% off our Contamination Control Fundamental Program, head over to our website at pharmalliance.ie/training-programs and use code YT25OFF. Please do it now as spaces are limited and it's expiring soon. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you on the next module.